To display gallery on the front end, first of all, we need to create a new page. So if we go to our content management system, click on the create new page, give it a name. The link name will be gallery, heading photo gallery, and we can type something like please browse to browse through our images, please first select the relevant category below. Okay, and now identity, photo, gallery, navigation. We want to assign this to the main navigation. We insert, the page has been created, as you can see. Now we want to move our contact us page to the top navigation. So if we select top, now if we go to the navigation section and assign contact us, if we assign the order number 3 and gallery, it will be 5. Enter to update. If we go to the front end now, refresh the page, you can see contact has been moved to the top navigation and we have gallery down here in the main one. Okay, so now if we open our editor, first of all, what we need to do is to create a new file inside of the ink folder, but not inside of the admin ink folder, just inside of the ink folder in the root of our site. So if we create a new file and call it gallery.php, inside of this file, we're going to create a few lines of code, which start with the if condition is set get s, and now we also going to add and get s doesn't equal blank. Then we're going to do something else, echo get categories function, which we'll create in just a minute. Else, if the s actually has been set, then s equals get s and echo p a href we're going to be linking to the website development services photo gallery.html. Go back, closing a tag and closing paragraph. So this is going to create the go back link, and then we're going to echo get images, where we will pass our s parameter and other functions we'll create. So now let's open our functions.php, scroll down, and after our function gets select here, we start with our function get categories. Okay, we start with the globalizing database condb and globalizing also condb. Okay, now our SQL statement will be select all from categories, order by name, any ascending order. Okay, now simply MySQL select DB and database condb with condb, then result equals MySQL fetch sock with the SQL and condb, or die with MySQL error. Okay. Then we have our rows equal MySQL fetch sock. Oh, sorry, actually, result should be MySQL query here. MySQL fetch a sock, which will be result. And then we have total equals MySQL num rows with the result as well. Okay, so now we can check if total is more than 0. Then we're going to do something. And what we're going to do is to output our UL tag first, UL ID gallery. Okay, then we create our do while loop. Copy our rows equals MySQL fetch a sock here. And we add to our out variable li a href, and we're going to pass website development services photo gallery, and now we will pass our rows id .html. It's okay. Now we need to close it, and we display rows name of the category should be rows, yeah, dot closing a tag and closing li tag. Okay, if we scroll down, and obviously after all this we need to out our closing ul tag, and that's all nearly finished. So after our if statement, we just create MySQL free result, and it's going to be result, and now it's just return out. Okay, so our categories should now display. If we go and preview our page in the browser, and as you can see, we cannot see anything here, and the reason why we can't see anything is because we still didn't tell our index.php page to actually include our gallery file and retrieve all this information. So this is what we're going to be looking at in the next video.